guys, this is a little awkward, I'm gonna be honest. Haven't really done much commentary, just been filming what I love to do. We're gonna go down a different avenue. I don't know how this is gonna turn out. You don't know until you try. I'm working on a 2024 Toyota Sequoia. In my opinion, one of the harder colors Toyota, 3U5. It's a 3-stage red. So we've got a lot of work to do. It's a big job. Whole front clip, rock chips. I gotta mask it, wipe it down, tack it, all that good stuff. Let's get this going. All right, as you can see, car's all masked up, prepped, wiped down, which is probably 80% of the paint job if you've done any of this before. So I got bumpers. I got a flare, bumpers. It's basically a whole front clip. We got the driver's side door getting blended. We got the hood. We got down the whole passenger side. So I'm gonna hook this thing up, get the booth fired up. It's a 3-stage red, very pretty color by Toyota. It's gonna take me a little bit, so I'm gonna get this all set up and let's have some fun. Okay guys, just for anyone who is unfamiliar with this process, being a 3-stage, this area right here is where I stopped my ground coat. Maybe why the color looks a little pinkish, a little lighter. It needs the mid coat over the top of that to give it the candy apple red.
Remember with this color and any 3-stage that mid coat has to go over the ground coat completely to hide the blend. This area right here between the door and the fender is where I will need to do that. Let's get back at it.